How to find a specific word on a website page on Mozilla Firefox browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to a website page. For example, I'm gonna go to Wikipedia. Now all what you have to do, for example, if you want to find, for example, this word right here, all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on those three lines and go down here until you find this find in page option, or you can click on Ctrl F on your keyboard. Click now, now search for the word that you want to search for example buildings, as you can see, and here is it. I found it easily. You can search for any word you want, as you can see. So easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.